friends, welcome to another video of physics, that is the significant figure, which is under the topic chapter of units and dimension. Okay, this is the first chapter as per the syllabus of hstr. So let us study in detail what is significant figures. So there are certain rules in the significant figures. I'll make it very easy for you all to understand what are significant figure. So the first rule is all the non-zero digits are significant. What does it mean? It will be better understood with the help of example. Suppose if I take the example 23796, then can you see any zeros in the number? No, there are no zero term. So therefore all the digits which are not zero, that means the non-zero digits are significant. Can you say me how many significant figure do we have? We have here 1 2 3 4 5. So therefore there are 5 significant figure. Another example we can take to be like we have 1 2 3 5 6. How many significant figures we have here? Suppose we add 7, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 significant figure. Hope you have understood the first rule, that is all non-zero digits are significant. Then we have the second one. Then second we have all the zeros between two non-zero digits are significant no matter where the decimal point is. So this sentence is again better understood with the help of one example. Let us take one example of, suppose we have 20098 and here we have the decimal point. So can you say as per the definition how many significant figures we have? All the zeros between two non-zero digits. Okay, two non-zero digits are significant. So therefore here these zeros lies between two non-zero. These are non-zeros, right? So these two zeros between non-zero digits are considered to be significant. So therefore can you count 1 2 3 4 5? So there are 5 significant figures. Another example we can take, like suppose we have 1290075. Okay, suppose we have decimal point at this. So here how many significance figure we have? So you need to note the important point, that is all the zeros between non-zero, that is 9 and 7 is the non-zero. So zeros between 9 and 7, that is non-zero digits, are considered to be significant. So therefore 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, there are 7 significant figure. Let us move to the third point, that is third rule. We have, if the number is less than 1, the zeros on the right of the decimal point but to the left of the first non-zero digits are not significant. So by looking at the rule you might get confused. You think it is not easy to understand, but it's very easy. Let us understand it with an example. Suppose we have 0.004705. So here see, the first rule, the second rule, you have to remember that the zeros between non-zero digits are significant. So this zero is significant. Okay, now we have to check about this. So this rule is about these zeros. So here this is your decimal point. So what it says, if the number is less than 1, you can clearly understand this number is less than 1. The zeros on the right of the decimal point. So this is decimal point, and to this decimal point, this is its right, this is its left, right? So to the right of the decimal point, that is to the right of the decimal point, but to the left of the first non-zero digits. For this 4, this 0 and this 7, right? For this 4, this is its left, this is its right. And this is first non-zero digit, that is 4 is first non-zero digits out of this 4705. So therefore listen very carefully, the zeros to the right of the decimal point, but to the left of the first non-zero digits are not significant. That means these 3 zeros are not considered to be significant. So how many significant figures will you get here? 1 2 3 and 4. So we have only 4 significant figure in this example. Another example we can take, suppose you have 0.000567. Okay, in this apply the rule. What the rule says, we have here to the right, this is left of the decimal point. To this is first non-zero. For this non-zero, this is left, again this is right. So the zeros to the right of the decimal point and to the left of the first non-zero are not significant. So therefore 1, 2, 3. 3 is the significant figure for this. Hope you have understood the third rule. Then let us move to the fourth rule, that is the terminal or trailing zeros in a number without a decimal point are not significant. Okay, here let us take the example 158 meter or 15800 centimeter or 158,000 millimeter. Okay, so here you can see, as per the rule, the terminal, that means the ending, the trailing zeros, okay, in numbers, the trailing zeros in a number without a decimal point. Can you see a decimal point? No, there are no decimal points. So therefore, if there is no decimal point and we have zeros to the terminal, that is the trailing zeros, they are not considered to be significant. So here there are how many significant figure? Here we have 3. This is 1, 2, 3, and this is 1, 2, 3. 3 significant figures. Then let us move to the last significant rule, that is the trailing zeros in a number with the decimal points are significant. This is little different. Here without a decimal point it was there, but here with a decimal point. The trailing zeros with a decimal point are significant. So therefore example for this will be like 3.500, or you can take 158.00. Okay, if this is the answer question, then these zeros, the trailing zeros with a decimal point are considered to be significant. So therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figure here, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 5 significant figure. Hope you have understood the rules for the significant figure. The first rule is all the non-zero digits are significant. All the zeros between two non-zero digits are significant no matter where the decimal point is. And the third one, the zeros to the right of the decimal point but to the left of the non-zero digits are not considered to be significant. And then we have the fourth, that is the terminal or trailing zeros in a number without a decimal points are not considered to be significant. With a decimal point it is considered to be significant. Hope you have understood what are significant figure. Based on significant figure, one question is for sure in your exam. In the next video we shall be discussing about the dimensions, which is again very important topic for both GPSTR and hstr syllabus. If in the GPSTR exam we have the descriptive type questions, in the descriptive type question for 3 marks, one of the application of dimensional analysis can be asked. If it is hstr, since we don't have any descriptive questions here, in this you will get the questions, and in objective they will mention you what is the dimensional formula for particular physical quantity. That we'll discuss in our upcoming videos. Thank you friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and like my video and share with your friends. Thank you.